So now it is raining in Conway, Arkansas. So I feel like I brought the rain down here from Natchez because it has not rained here in like 2 months or at least 2 weeks. So I feel like how I just give you the weather report on our daily vlogs. I guess I could give it to you. It is daily.
What you doing, Dad?
I am staying cleaning the floors.
Nothing he won't do.
Hey,
Is it working?
Professional at this.
That's right. Is it working?
Seems to be doing fine.
Good. Is it good?
What in the world is going on here? So that is a drop cloth.
I designed that.
She
I said it looks
She
like
must-
Corella designed it.
she may be working at Hope Farm.
Yeah.
It makes more sense.
Okay, I didn't.
Dresses. Give me a pose now. Hello. Hello. We got models working today. Lane is watching yesterday's video while sewing in tags. Look at the concentration on her face. I got her to smile a little bit. It's almost time for roast beef. This one made us roast beef. Go, go, go.
She's the one.
She's the one that made us roast beef. Yay.
I'm the beef.
You want me to pick up all your white dresses for you?
Please, yes. How do you manage to get this filthy?
Well,
Even here.
it's like I worked on a car.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Crazy.
So your brother,
My baby brother.
uh-huh,
He's just 9
Who?
years old.
who appears to be a dog.
No, shh.
His name is Shudderbug.
Right now.
Hey, Shudderbug. Hi. Hiya, buddy. So what's happening in Shudder's world right now,
Well,
Lane?
he gets his farmer's dog, which is fancy enough. But his mother is very upset that he's had to be at home by himself a lot this last week.
Mm-hmm.
So he's also getting roast beef out of the crock pot.
Uh-huh, and served in a dog bowl,
No,
probably.
No, on a plate.
On a plate. Okay, so he's eating the same thing I'm eating.
Exactly, except he's getting farmer's dog, so he's actually probably getting a better variety of vegetables than you are.
Yeah, that's true.
I
So
have to cut it up into little bites so he can
your
eat
mother
it.
loves him more than me.
Absolutely.
And
me.
you.
And me. 100%.
And herself.
Yes. Yes. Oh, look, he's already taken off to his room.
Where'd he go? Shudder. He is darling.
He's gone. He's ready.
Shudderbug.
Mm-mm.
Uh-uh. Surprised he's not there begging, so he eats in the
He's in
den.
the den, so he's
Okay.
going to where he's dinner.
All right, we'll follow you in there
I'm
and
gonna
see.
go serve him.
Let's see if he finds this acceptable to eat, okay? Well, yeah, that looks
see.
delicious.
Where are you, buddy? Buddy.
Oh, it's down there. I was gonna eat on the living room, and it's gonna eat in the couch.
Dinner?
No, that's terrible. I hate it.
Oh
Yeah.
my
No,
God.
no.
Wait just a minute. Let me get his daddy.
I hate it.
Dave, come here.
No, he's not eating it.
He's not going to wait for his daddy.
Did you warm up his farmer's?
No, he doesn't like his warm.
He
He
doesn't-
likes his
Sit
cold.
where you
Okay.
always have to sit for him to eat. But he's hungry tonight.
Oh, he's eating a little bit
Well,
now.
he's eating the roast beef out of it. He's picking the roast beef out.
He sure is.
Kevin's filming because I have to wait.
No, we want to get you. What you have.
Go ahead.
He sits right there.
Oh, Dad sits right
You have to sit in the floor,
Uh-huh,
okay,
yeah.
next to him
Mhm.
while he
This
eats.
is-
Okay, let's see how that goes.
Yeah.
Eat your dinners. There you go.
This is every night, by the way.
Hey, my little buddy.
So this is pretty much the way you were raised, Lane?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Spoiled like that?
Whatever I want,
Uh-huh.
Mommy and Daddy will coax me to eat.
And most you want to sit right next to
Sit
it.
right
too.
next to me.
Uh-huh. And eat your little
So,
food.
Dad, tell him what you had to do when you first got the farmer's dog to get him to eat it.
And then my finger.
It's eating
was
off
like-
your finger.
Yeah, when he was like 2 weeks old.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, didn't you have to put in, make it in little balls? And
No,
everything?
no,
Okay,
I never did
I
that.
thought they were
no.
little balls.
But Mom did that when we first got the
Okay.
farmer's dog.
Yeah.
She would take it and roll it up in little balls and hand it to me.
This is not a commercial for Farmer's Dog.
It's not. No, we're not
But it
sponsored
should
by
be.
Farmer's Dog.
It should be because we feed our little Bean Farmer's Dog too.
So
All right, that's
loves-
Shudder, everybody.
He
Say hi,
loves
Shudder.
Farmer's dog.
So Shudder, who smells every dog we have.
I'm gonna smell all
Hey,
the
this is not a commercial for Farmer's Dog. Let me show you why. He didn't eat the Farmer's Dog. He ate the roast beef out of the Farmer's Dog plate.
Picked it out.
Picked it right out. You're too close to get on video. There he is.
Farmer's dog.
Eventually.
You've seen the amazing window. Now let's see the amazing store.
Okay, what are we about to do?
Thursday Murder Club
How long
on
have we been,
Netflix.
how long have we been waiting for this
I
movie?
don't know how long.
Like close
6
to a
months?
year.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because
We
it was
listened
like
to the books. Yeah, coming back. Where'd we come back from?
I can't remember. We listened to like one of them. Was it just back and forth from Natchez?
Maybe. But there's 3 books and we've listened to them all. Been waiting for this movie to come out.
We're so excited.
So we are
So it's
gonna
9 o'clock at night, and we're starting the Thursday Murder Club because we're watching it on Thursday.
That's right. You gotta watch it on Thursday.
That's right. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Scouty, how many times does Mama have to tell you to stay out of the kitty cat box? Yeah, this happens every time. Okay, Mama, get it.